If you love lemon and you love blondies, I'm marrying them together today to make the perfect soft and chewy lemon blondie recipe. You're not gonna wanna miss it.
Start off with a half of a cup of unsalted butter. Make sure it's been softened. Add in 1 cup of packed brown sugar, a half of a cup of granulated sugar, and I like to add a tablespoon of lemon zest into the sugar mixture because it makes the sugar and butter all nice and lemony. I think it increases that lemon flavor. Just cream that together. I'm using a stand mixer, or you could use a hand mixer.
This is my go-to blondie recipe. I just changed it up a teeny tiny bit to fit the lemon flavor. I'm adding some lemon zest and a little bit of lemon juice in there. This is such a simple recipe. Don't skip that zest. That zest is where all that lemon flavor comes from.
Once that's all nice and creamed, you will add 2 large eggs, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a half of a teaspoon of salt. I'm also adding a teaspoon of lemon extract, and that really amps up the lemon flavor of these blondies. Now you can, of course, omit that, but then just know they're not going to be as lemony. Lemon zest does a lot for the recipe. However, lemon juice doesn't. So you just want to make sure, I love using lemon extract. Just make sure to buy pure lemon extract. Then we will mix in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. It'll be a thick but kind of sticky dough. Again, this is my favorite blondie dough. It's so easy to make. It stays soft for days once it's made. Then we're going to press this into a 9 by 13 inch pan. I always line my pan with foil. You could also use parchment. Make sure you've sprayed the foil or parchment with nonstick cooking spray. Now the dough is pretty sticky, so I like to use my hands to press it in, and so I spray my hands with nonstick cooking spray so that the dough does not stick to my hands.
These are the easiest cookie bars that you will ever make. If you love lemon, you need to try these.
Once that's all pressed in, then you will bake this at 350 degrees until it's light golden.
Not only am I making blondies that taste like lemon, I'm adding the best lemon buttercream that you'll ever taste.
To make the frosting, you'll add a half of a cup of softened unsalted butter to 1.5 cups of powdered sugar and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. You'll just mix that together until it's nice and crumbly. And once it's all nice and crumbly, we'll add 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And this adds so much more lemon flavor. Now, of course, you could just use milk, but if we're making lemon blondies and lemon buttercream, you want to make sure and use lemon juice. And use fresh lemon juice. You already have zested the lemon and used some of the lemon juice in the blondies themselves. So just finish it up. And you'll be using 1 to 2 tablespoons. It really just depends on the texture, the spreadable consistency that you want. So just start with 1 tablespoon and work your way up to 2.
The frosting, I love using lemon juice in this because it adds that sweet and tart flavor.
Once the blondies come out of the oven, they'll be, as you can see, they'll be light golden, and then you'll want to cool them completely and then frost them with the frosting. It'll be a nice thin layer of frosting. The blondies are sweet enough. We don't need tons and tons of frosting, but if you really wanted to, you could double the frosting and make it nice and thick. You could decorate these with some lemon slices. You could add some sprinkles or just leave them plain, but these are the best blondies in the entire world.
You can see how soft and chewy they are at the same time. Oh, they're so, so good. I know you're gonna love them. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more desserts.